Now let's have a look at the course roadmap. Throughout this course, we will build your understanding step by step. We will begin by exploring what artificial intelligence actually is and why it matters. We will then learn key terms and concepts that frequently appear in conversations about AI. Next, we will examine machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, and large language models in simple language. We will explore how AI is being used across industries and in everyday life. We will discuss both the opportunities and limitations of AI technologies. And we will finish by examining ethical considerations and practical ways to continue developing your AI literacy after the course ends. So you can think of this course as building a mental map of the AI landscape. You do not need to know every detail. You simply need to understand the major landmarks and how they connect. Before moving forward, I would like you to take a moment to reflect. Since waking up today, how many technologies have you interacted with that may involve artificial intelligence? Perhaps you used a search engine. Maybe you checked social media, maybe you used GPS navigation, perhaps you listened to recommended music or watched suggested videos. Maybe you interacted with a chatbot or used an AI-powered writing tool. Write down at least 3 examples. Don't worry if you are unsure. We will revisit this question later in the course. You may be surprised to discover how many aspects of modern life already involve artificial intelligence. In the next lecture, we will explore why AI literacy is becoming an increasingly important skill for students, professionals, businesses, and society as a whole. So let's continue.